The melody of betrayal. The events in Erin, a quiet village, reached the ears of Mu, the spirit of the wind. In the village, preparations for the annual wind festival were underway, but something was different this year. On the eve of the sacred festival, under the old big tree standing in the central square of the village, the villagers were preparing to dance a festive dance. However, Mew sensed a disturbing sign. That night, Alan, a young man in the village, was preparing to make a name for himself as a musician. He intended to make a special melody, but the melody had a hidden intention behind it. In fact, Alan was taken into Sargus, a dark wizard who aimed to control the village. Sargus was trying to use his power by letting Alan create fascinating music that manipulated the villagers. Mu, the spirit of the wind, decided to listen to the music played by Alan to protect the village. At night, the melody that Alan began to play was beautiful at first and fascinated the villagers. However, the melody gradually gives a sense of anxiety and begins to cast a dark shadow on the hearts of the villagers. Mew hurriedly flew away to Alan and tried to tell the truth. Alan, your music is eroding the village. The melody is in Sargus' hands. Alan seemed to regain consciousness for a moment, but he was soon covered by the shadow of magic. In his eyes, the shadow of Sargus flickered, and he was about to be deprived of his will. At that time, Mew evoked the power of the wind and spoke to Alan. Listen to his voice and believe in your heart. True melody is born from love and hope. Alan desperately fought against the shadow of Sargus and drew a beautiful melody from the depths of his heart. The melody gave love and courage to the people of the village and succeeded in dispelling the shadow of Sargus. Alan was freed from Sargus magic, and the villagers looked at him and shouted with joy. The Wind Festival was celebrated as a new beginning. Alan learned that he saved the village with his own music, and realized that true power is to connect hearts. And Mew set off for the story of the next wind, hoping that his music would be a hope for people. Promise in the Sound of Rain. A girl named Sierra lived in a quiet village. This village was a mysterious place where it always rained down.